All right, so I just walked in the front door, and here we have the large set of steps, and on either side are steps going down. So we're gonna go up first, and you come into the formal dining room, and then if you go to the right, you come into a large living area with the gas fireplace, eat-in kitchen. And there, of course, is the kitchen with all the countertops. Beautiful countertops. I don't know if you can see that well on the video. On the back side of the kitchen is that door going out to your deck. There's the stairs going down. Go into the dining room. There's the front door. Now we're going to go to the right. It's a nice open hallway, some storage. There's a half bath here. It looks like the entire inside has been painted. It's just a nice neutral beige. And then we come in on the left here is the first bedroom. Now that light behind is bad. Closet there with some storage, ceiling fan. The bedroom itself, let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's about 13 feet one way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's about 13 by 11. Come out of that first bedroom and go to the left. There's another bedroom here, similar in size. It appears to be about 13 by 11. There's kind of a cutout here by the front window. Closet's very similar. This one has just a, excuse me, standard light, not ceiling fan. Out of bedroom 2 on the left is the guest bathroom on the first floor. It's the bathroom that the bedrooms up here would use as well. Some storage. And the same pretty countertops that were in the kitchen. And just a full bath, standing shower tub combo. Out of the bathroom, making another left. You're going, oh, there's some storage here in the hallway. Just for some towels, linen storage type. And then you go to the left out that bathroom again, and you have some double doors going into the master. Immediately on your left when you enter the master is a closet. Nice big closet with a window. Come this way so you can see out. Coming out of the closet and going to my left again. It's a good sized master. The carpet appears to be kind of like a beige, and it's in pretty clean condition. Now we're entering the master bathroom. Dual sinks with, it looks like, that's marble countertops. And here's your tub. And there is a dual-sided fireplace. It's not a jetted tub, it's just a sitting garden tub. Here's the shower in the master. And it is ginormous. Beautiful tile work though. And then over here is the water closet. Okay, so coming out of the master, there's a second little closet right there. And then, as you can see, nice big open windows, and then a door out to that deck as well. Which doesn't want to open right now. Well, you saw it from the other way. It's just the deck out there. I don't want to force it right now. And there's the other side of that fireplace. All right, so coming out of the master and back to the left, we're in that hallway again. There was another storage closet. And another closet. I passed that one on the way in. So in this upstairs hall, you have 3 closets as well as that storage behind the cabinets down there. So we're back to the entryway. I'm going downstairs and I'm going to continue going left. Down the stairs. And once you get down here, it's all tile here. There's a living room with a step down. Again, another gas fireplace. It's kind of like a small bar area for when you're barbecuing outside. Another room for kind of a small table. Come out this way to the door. All of these doors appear to be like doubly locked, and they didn't have a key with it, but you can see that that's the outside to those stairs, and then behind that stairwell is that bar. You come around the corner here to just a half bathroom, which is great if you're having guests over. Here's a better close-up of the bar down here. Or it's really just like a little kitchenette. There's cabinets and a mini fridge. So if you go through this little half bath here, you come into another bedroom. And this bedroom is bigger than the 2 smaller bedrooms upstairs. Let me count it. It's about 15 and a half by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, by about 12. There you can see is the sliding door to the outdoor bar or grilling area, excuse me. Big closet in the hall down here for storage. So now I'm in the hall. Here's the second set of stairs on the other side. We're going down the hall. Going to the left, I believe this is entry to the garage. Yep, there's the garage. So this is just a storage area down here. There is an overhead light. No cabinets or anything, and now we're coming into the laundry room. Looks like it's a pull-out iron, hanging rack, some cabinets and shelves, a utility sink, and here's where the washer and dryer would be. And there's even some storage behind the door here. Coming out of the laundry room and going to the left again. Went down a small hall where there's some more storage. I'll tell you, this house has quite a bit of storage. Coming into another bedroom. This bedroom has a small walk-in closet. And there's a Jack and Jill bathroom here. So here's the single sink, with tile. To the tub shower combo again. And then this bathroom again connects this other bedroom over here as well. Another small walk-in closet. Sure, access to the crawl space. Windows out. Let me count these bedrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's about 11 by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's about 11 by 12, and both bedrooms are similar. The carpet down here is a little lighter. Looks a little more worn, but not terrible. I think a good cleaning would be fine. So now we're back in the hallway, and we're gonna go up the other set of stairs and back to the front door. And there you are. There is the tour of the house. I will talk to you soon.